Hi, this is Maria Athar from La Boutique One. La Boutique One is a marketplace for buying and selling pre-loved fashion in a controlled environment. Did you know the fashion industry is the second largest polluting industry in the world? I didn't know too. And that is not even the reason why I started this business. My reason was more personal. I was going to a family wedding and I wanted to repeat some clothes, but everybody around me looked at me like I was about to commit a crime. I had a wardrobe full of clothes, but I did not have anything to wear. I am sure most of you can relate to this. And if you can't, then I would definitely suggest कि अपनी बेगमात की अलमारियां खोल के आज आप जरूर देखें. I knew this was exactly the case with my friends and family also. They wanted to remove the clothes from their cupboards, but they did not have a reliable place to turn to. That is when I started researching and found out about the dirty secrets of the fast fashion, which is creating adverse effects on our environment. We provide a single solution for all the above problems in the form of La Boutique One. Our model is a commission-based model where the seller pays us 20% commission on the sale of each product. Not a bad solution because we do all the dirty job of marketing, expenditure, buying, taking orders, and then finally releasing the payments of the sellers. And all of this is done along with keeping the identity of the buyer and seller both anonymous. Because that's what the customer wanted. And how do I know that? I started this business actually 3 years ago on Facebook, interacted with hundreds of thousands of women, and then created my model for the business. When the business became too difficult to manage through social media, I started looking for options in technology, made my apps, which was a mistake, and then went on to build my website, which is in the final stages of completion. We have already good traction in the market and a few people know about us also, but now we want awareness throughout Pakistan. I have approximately 11,000 app downloads so far. My target market size is 240 million and it's a multi-billion-dollar industry in the West already. I would not be wrong if I say resale is the new retail. I've studied my competitors' models in detail and know that my model is the requirement of the time. Because we are different because we have a marketplace where buyers and sellers do the interaction themselves but are both kept anonymous at all times. I'm qualified for this business because I've already worked in a property portal in Dubai, Bayouth.com, and I've handled all their operations single-handedly for a couple of months. I already have a team of 10 people, some of which are part-time and some are full-time. So far, I have injected $40,000 in the business and today I'm here to ask for help and support in expanding my business further. I'm asking for $500,000 to give the boost it needs to maximize its potential. My initial target will be 125 million visitors and 3,500 downloads. Let us help the people by making them aware of La Boutique One. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions and I'm here to answer them.